Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam and today I'm going to show you how to make a Skype account or create a new one. So after you download the Skype, you're going to just enter the app. And as in many apps, you're going to sign in or create. In our case, maybe we're going to create. If you have a Microsoft email, you're going to just enter the email that you have on Microsoft and then just hit hit sign in. If you don't, in our case we don't, we're gonna create a new one and we're gonna create a new email linked to our account by using either an email or get a user phone number instead. And next you're gonna just create a password. You're gonna just use either of the passwords that you have, and in my case I'm gonna just use any other password right here, and I'm gonna just hit next, and it says right here I have to add lowercase and a signal, so this is work, and I'm gonna add first name and last name and hit next and hit what's your birthday, and it's important to be honest because they will verify that if God forbid you forgot your account, maybe they will ask you about your birthday. So important to know when is your date, time, the month. So I'm gonna enter, and it says right here verify email. It's gonna send me a verification email, so we can just enter the code. So we're gonna wait for a couple seconds until we get back at you. So as you can see right here, this is my email address, and this is my Gmail address, and this is the code that I have to copy, and I'm gonna just go back and just paste the copy, and I don't want more information, and I'm gonna just hit next. And basically it says solve the puzzle, so we can know you're not a robot. So I'm gonna just hit next, and as you can see right here, the verification complete. It says you've proven you are human, and it will direct you to Microsoft. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.